Guys, preparing for ultralight fishing today. Yung mga lures natin gagamitin. Ano? Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Wow. Fish on. Okay. Oh, shucks. Malagboy. Ayun. Son. Son. On. Nice one. You know, emperor fish of the day. Never hold your fish when hook or lure is still on. Go. Let me check. Okay. Release bail. Okay. Ano tayo dyan? Oh shit. Ano natin? Ayan o. Kabit na kabit. Go. Okay. Okay. Tatlo na yan boy, lalaki. Good size oh. Ulit. Meron pang asawa to o anak. On. Never hold your catch when the lure is still on. Use the plier boy. Oh shit. What? What's this? Oh, big one. What's this, man? Look at that. Very big. Come on boy. There. Come on boy. What's this? Over there. There. Come on boy. Right here. There's fish. There. Holy cow. That's a big one. There. You can see the fins, man. Come boy, come back. There, it's coming back. It's coming back. There, holy cow, what's that? Shoots, man. Holy cow. Come here, boy. You have food here, boy. Come on. What? That's why no emperor fish here. You're chasing them, boy. They're scared of you, boy. Balikan natin, hook natin. Ayun. Hook natin, wala na mata. Ito. On. On. Fish on. Inalitan natin ang mata. Fish on, boy. Yan ka sa taas. Hop, don't jump. Boy. What? What the heck? There you go. Nice and easy. Okay. Nice and easy, boy. Boy. Come here. Hop. Don't move, boy. You're gonna be in good hands. There. Okay. Nice one. Okay. Let's go again. Oh boy. Oh boy. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, nice one, boy. Nice. Oh, some boy. There you go. Nice and easy, boy. Oh, boy. There you go. Nice and easy, boy. Okay. And then our there you go. No, come here. Come here, boy. Then here. Okay. There you go. Let's go again. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's do it again. Let's go. Agatin mo yan. Boy. There. There. Listen. Listen, boy. Listen. There you go. Okay. Nice one. Oh. Oh, shit. Woo. Yung sinasabi ko eh. Mga ganun. Lang tatalon. Nice one. Sakit ng tinamaan sa paa ko ah. Kailan na tayo? Dami na ah. Ay. Don't move, boy. Hey. Hey. Don't move, boy. There you go. Push on. Push on. Push on. Push on. Come on, boy. Hindi ka na makakawala dyan. There you go. There, big one. So hindi ka na makakawala dyan eh. Woohoo. Oh shit. Watch your hands, boy. Watch your hand. There. Holy cow. Look at that. That and the eye. Nice and easy, boy. Nice and easy. Boy. Boy. Oh shit. Woo, easy, boy. Easy, boy. There you go. Nice and easy. Okay. Sira na plier natin. Oh shit. Sira na plier natin. Okay. Oh. A big one. Okay. Ibabang supot natin. Ayun o, napalag-palag pa. Laki nito. Okay. Okay. Let's go again. Try it again, boy. Oh, nice one. Oh boy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy, boy. Okay. There you go. Oh, what's your hand, boy? Nice and easy. Nice and easy, boy. Shots. Oof. What? I have to. Ow, shit. What the heck? Oh, shit. What the heck? Nice and easy, boy. Alright. Okay. Again. What? What? Okay. Diyan ka. Okay. Shit. What? Oh boy. I'm too small. I need to release you, boy, so you can grow big. And next time I'm gonna catch you, okay? Wait. Keep still, boy. Keep still, boy. There you go. Okay, nice and easy, boy. Okay. There. Okay. There. Okay. Tell your mom to come here. And I'm gonna catch your mom. Right? Oh boy. Oh shit. Oh boy. That's the one. Come on, boy. Oh boy. That's the one. Ooh. Nice and easy, boy. Nice and easy. Alright. Where is it? There you go. Oh. Nice and easy, boy. Nice and easy. Come on, boy. Oh. Oh, shit. What? See? Came off already and stuck to my leg. Shit. What the heck? Look at that. See? And the fish is right there already. Macaroni. Look. Good thing it didn't got hook my leg, man. Whew. Delikado talaga tong mga ano na to. Alright. Heavy our catch, man. Delikado talaga. Buti na lang hindi kumawit sa binti natin pagbagsak ng fish dito sa ground. Right. Right on. Fish safe, guys. So again, fix the bait, boy. Kahit isa na lang yung bait, yung mata ng bait natin, oh, pwede pa rin. Okay, bulag na. Dali matanggal ang mga ay eh. Boom. Oh, see? Told you. You're right here. Oh, inaabol. Whoa, big one. Woo! I told you. Inaabol niya. Laki. Holy cow. Nasa tabi na, hinahabol mo pa, boy. Dali ka tuloy. Sa mata ka lang nadali. Sa bunganga din. What? Wait. Ah, shit! What? What, boy? Almost got me again, boy. Utik na, bigat na. Ay, Let's go. Over there. Natin, baka humabol dun. Boom. Oh shit, sabi ko sa iyo eh. Andito eh. Oh boy. Nice and easy, boy. Nice and easy, boy. Check. Open bail. There. Lucky oh. Patay na. Tapakan eh. Ay, bigat na nung huli natin. Holy cow, look at this. Oh boy. Oh, there you go. Nice one. Oh, no. There. There go. Oh shit. There. Remove. Oh shit. It's in my foot. There. Already removed. There you go. Okay, nice and easy. Few more casts. Then we go. Go boy. Oh, come on boy. Okay, come on boy. There you go. Oh boy. Whoa! What? What the heck? Tanggal ah. Nangyari doon. Dito. Huli yan, huli. 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 Isang malaki. Doon, sabi ko na nga ba, huli. Isang malaki. Oh, yeah. Isang malaki, come on. Oh, see? See, oh, shoots. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Ayun na yung car natin. Nakahuli pa tayo ng isa. Huli natin. Guys, this is our catch for today. Just one lure, one Daiwa reel. Okay, not bad, not a bad catch. All right.